force expert Seth Stoughton was back on the witness stand Wednesday morning for the murder trial of APD officer Christopher Taylor. He analyzed police body cam footage from April 24, 2020, and testified he did not believe Taylor's use of force against Ramos was justified under general policing practices.
It was inappropriate to shoot the first shot. It was even more appropriate to shoot the second shot because the vehicle was even more obviously less of a threat, or not a threat of imminent.
That prompted an almost 3-hour line of questioning from defense attorney Ken Irvin, as Stoughton's testimony directly contradicts Officer Taylor's statement that he believed Ramos and his vehicle were a threat to officers.
My question is, did you know it? Do you know now what his intent was?
Subjectively? Of course not.
Irvin showed Stoughton a YouTube video of an unaffiliated but similar Prius to Ramos's ramming into a pickup truck.
Right, but I'm asking you about this video. Sure. That truck had an officer beside it, and that truck moved as much as we see. Could that injure the officer? That's all I'm asking. Yes or no?
Sure, potentially, sure.
The state followed up. In this case, did Ramos and his vehicle pose a threat to hitting officers?
The opinion is that there was no one in the path of travel of Mr. Ramos's vehicle such that there was an imminent threat of death or serious bodily injury.
That was the state's last witness, and after 8 days, Officer Taylor's defense team had their turn.
So the real trial in this case starts now.
Defense attorney Doug O'Connell addressed the jury during opening statements, saying this murder trial is about Officer Taylor's actions in response to his perceived threat on April 24, 2020.
We all agree Mr. Ramos was going to flee, but nobody thought he would flee to the north. Everyone thought the only way out of that parking lot was through the officers or around the officers.
O'Connell listed out what the defense plans to show the jury. This included a zoomed-in photo of Ramos's car tire before and just as he was beginning to drive off.
Before and when he takes off forward.
He explained this is just a taste of what the defense will present to the jury.
We're confident that you will determine that Chris Taylor's actions were reasonable given what he was perceiving in the seconds before he had to take the shot.